Hello and welcome to this video where we are going to discuss about vital role of logic in programming. The logic is a fundamental concept in algorithms and programming as it is a foundation for every program. So understanding logic is very important, and without logic we cannot develop a proper program. Hello, I am Dr. Mukund Kulkarni and we are going to explore foundation of programming, which is logic, and what is vital role of logic in programming. So before starting our actual topic, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and click on notification icon so that you will get my latest updates, and you can also share my videos with your friends and keep watching for more updates. So let us directly jump in our topic where we are going to discuss what is vital role of logic in programming. So let us discuss with the help of 5 different points. In this video, I am going to share 5 different points to understand why logic is more important and it is required for a good programming. The number one is logic is a reasoning for every programming. So in programming we are going to solve a problem, and that is the main goal of writing any program. So problem solving requires a proper reasoning ability. So to develop your reasoning ability, the logic is must. There should be an idea that is going to solve a complex problem. Now by using a proper logic, what we can do is we can divide our program in different sub programs, or we can divide one problem in small part of problems, and then we can solve them by using a proper trick. So reasoning is an ability to think a solution for the problem. So without this reasoning ability, we will not get the actual solution to the problem, and therefore logic is must. The second one is ability to give appropriate and efficient solution. So we can call it as the ability or a trick or an idea that actually gives solution to your problem. So the trick to solve a problem or an idea that gives you a result and gives you solution for your problem. Now logic is an ability to think in a different way and get a solution for your problem. So if you have a good logic, that means what, you are having number of ideas to get the solution, and then if you are having multiple solutions, you can find out which one is most efficient and easy to implement. So the person who is having good logic has a better programming ability. Now let us try to understand with the help of example. Suppose one problem is given to two different programmers and they are going to solve this problem on their own way. Now programmer number 1 gives a solution and programmer number 2 also gives a solution. Both are working, but which is most efficient program? This is number 1. Which is most easy program? That is number 2. So you have to give efficient solution with easy steps, and that is logic. Now you have to develop this ability by using different ideas, different concepts, and you can make your program better in efficiency as well as better in its readiness, better in its execution, better in its speed. So these are the different ideas. We have to always think the best outcome of your program, and this is possible with the help of multiple ideas or tricks those you are having to get the solution or to write a program. Now third point, which is very important, and that one is the ability to find the solution by using boolean logic. So boolean logic is a fundamental logic which involves boolean values, true or false. In programming, we have to write some decision making structures, and these decision making structures are based on boolean values. So your conditional statements, whatever conditional statements you are using. What is condition? Now, condition is a statement that returns the value in the boolean, either true or false, and every condition uses these boolean values for decision making, and we are using it in if structure. So boolean values are very important for decision making purpose, and without decision making structures we cannot write any program that really gives a solution. And therefore, using these logical statements in a program is very important, and that gives you a better execution of your program and better solution to your problem. Additionally, we have to go for some repetitive task in a program, certain steps that we have to write for multiple times. Same statements we have to execute for more than 2 or 3 times. At that time, we have to use looping structures. The fourth one is a looping structure, where again we have to use the condition, again we have to use the logic, and here we have to apply this logic how many times you are going to repeat the same execution. Okay, now you can use this concept for recursion also. Now recursion means you are calling one function inside the same function, and the recursive calling of same function is known as a recursion technique. Now this is again based on a condition, and here also we have to apply a proper logic. And in a program we are going to write a loop, and that loop will execute for a certain number of times. Sometime we need to write a logic for infinite loop, and again we have to give a solution when to break the loop and when to continue the loop. Now again there are different ways of applying these logics. So these are the different ideas of logic. So logic means, number one, it's your reasoning ability. Number two, the ideas you are creating. Number three, the boolean values those you are using for decision making. Number four, logic you are using for using a repetitive task in your program by using looping statements or by using a recursion technique. Additionally, I want to share one more thing. Actual logic is a mindset that is required for a programmer. So without that logical mindset, you cannot write a program or you cannot develop an efficient algorithm. So here I am adding the fifth element, that it is a programming mindset. The logic is actually the thought process, and it's a thinking process of a person. Because of that, you are going to write an efficient algorithms or efficient programs, or even you can say you can find out efficient solutions to given problem. So you have to use some logic building techniques that will improve your mindset. Even I am recommending to my students, before starting your actual programming, you have to learn how to prepare a programmer's mindset. And therefore, I have developed a new course, pre-programming mindset. And what is that pre-programming mindset? It gives you different ideas or tricks that you have to develop, different habits you have to develop, so that you can find out efficient logic, powerful logic to develop a program. And this will improve your programming skills. It will also improve the way you are going to develop the program. It will also improve the time. You can develop multiple solutions in minimum time, and that is very crucial part for on programmers end, because in real life we have to prove ourselves by providing proper solutions in less time, in minimum time. And here your logical capacity, your mindset, how you think, how you apply the solution, and how you convert your idea in a program, that is very important. And to teach these concepts, I have developed a separate course, pre-programming mindset, which is very much required for a programmer. Now, even though I am using the word pre-programming, it is not necessary that you have to learn these concepts before learning programming. Even if you are a programmer or you have learned some programming languages, you can still learn these techniques, because they are going to enhance your capacity, and knowledge of writing programs. So herewith we have learned 5 different points why your logic plays a vital role in a programming. I hope I have cleared lot of concepts regarding logic, and I am going to share some steps for logic building, how to develop these logical skills in next week. I have given lot of values through this video. Please put in a comment box what are the values you have learned, what are the things you have learned from this video, and what do you think about your logical skills. You can also share your idea by which we can enhance our logical ability so that we can write better programming. Till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching my video.